Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will help you improve your English. English is easy if you practice every day. First, listen carefully. Listen to English songs, videos, or podcasts. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Second, speak every day. Speak in front of a mirror. Say simple sentences like, Hello, how are you? I'm learning English. Third, learn new words. Learn 3 to 5 words every day. Write them down. Use them in a sentence. Finally, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Keep practicing and stay confident. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.